Welcome. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to add your profile picture on the Facebook app using your PC with the latest update. Let's get started. First, open up the Facebook app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you'll have full access to all the features. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, take a look at the top of the page. You'll spot your current profile photo or perhaps your initials in a small circle. Just click on that icon. This action takes you straight to your profile page, where you'll see your profile picture displayed prominently near the top. Now, hover your mouse over your current profile picture. You'll notice an option appearing that lets you update or change your profile photo. Click directly on your profile picture. A menu will appear. Choose Profile Picture, then click on Upload Photo. This will open up a window where you can browse your computer files. Find the image you want to use as your new Facebook profile picture, select it, and then click Open. Facebook will upload this photo and display a preview. Before setting it as your official profile photo, take a moment to make any adjustments. You can reposition the image by dragging it until the most important part is centered and, if needed, use Facebook's crop tool to fine-tune the framing. For the clearest quality across all devices, it helps to pick a photo that's at least 400 by 400 pixels. When you're satisfied with the way your profile photo looks, click Save. Facebook will save your edits, and your new profile picture will be live immediately. And that's it. Just a few quick steps to update your profile picture and make your Facebook profile stand out with a new update. Keeping your profile photo fresh is a great way to help friends recognize you and gives your page a more personal touch. Thanks for following along. Try these steps today and give your Facebook profile a brand new look.